this? I got another little cutting board. This is the one. Oh my God, this is as smooth as this one. By the way, my buddy Mike joined me today. Yep. He's the one who did this. It's beautiful. I'm in love with my cutting boards. I got a small one and I got a big, gigantic one. What's the name of your company again? I always forget the name.
MANCHUWOODDESIGNS.
MANCHUWOODDESIGNS. His contact information is under every video. But we're going to continue Exotic Meat Month. And now you've had elk before, right?
Yeah, the wife and I cooked it wrong.
Oh, you overcooked it?
I'm not sure what we did.
Okay. Well, let's try not to overcook it today so we can make it perfect. But you've never had elk burgers?
No, never.
Okay.
Looking forward to it.
So today is elk burgers. We're going to get everything set up. Give us a few minutes. And then we'll meet you over at the stove to cook up the burgers and season them. All right? Okay, guys. We're going to be using Cosmo Q's SPG, which stands for salt, pepper, garlic, on these patties. We're going to be frying it up on using some bacon up. That's bacon grease, triple filtered. Love this stuff. So go ahead and fire it up and we'll get these patties cooked. Okay, guys. He gently patted out some patties because you can overwork the meat, okay? So be careful of using elk meat. You can overform your patties and the meat becomes tough. So he quickly formed the patties. Now, so what I need from you, Mike, is I'm told this is better than beef. I'm told.
Okay.
If it's cooked right, it's going to be better than a regular hamburger.
Well, we're going to cook it right.
All right. So you can tell me the truth, right?
Yes.
All right. So we're just melting that up and then we'll be frying it up.
We ready?
Yeah, go ahead and get started. We got to hear that sizzle. Watch this. It always did. Nice. Oh, yeah. Perfect. All right, we're gonna. What do you do your burgers like medium rare?
Yeah.
Okay. Can't forget the seasoning. In fact, we're gonna show you after we flip them how delicious they look. The meat smells amazing, by the way, guys. Wow. So far, we've been very lucky with all the meat. Okay, guys. It smells better than regular hamburgers, but I will only be able to tell you after the taste. So let's get your, I'm not going to need a bun, but go ahead and use a bun.
Oh, okay. I'll put it up.
Let's put yours together. We got pepper jack cheese, tomatoes, lettuce. Pepper jack cheese, by the way, is Mike's favorite cheese. That's why we got it. So go ahead and you want ketchup also, right? Yeah.
As good as it smells, I'm going to go without the cheese.
Oh my, you're not putting ketchup on that?
No.
Okay.
I'll do it without.
You can use double cheese if you want.
No.
Okay.
As good as it smells, I don't want to take a chance on.
Wow. No mayo, no mustard, no cheese. No
nothing.
Ketchup, excuse me. Cheese got to be there.
Yeah.
Can I ask you a favor?
Yeah.
I'm being weird. Can cheese be the last thing the meat touches so it melts? I'm being stupid, sorry.
No. There we go.
There it is. There it is, guys. Put that right on there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Okay.
You ready?
That's a beautiful burger. Go ahead and give it a bite and let me know, honestly, is it better than beef? Okay, no, stop laughing. If you start laughing, I'm not going to be able to get any answers out of you.
Oh, good.
Yeah?
Good.
Oh my gosh. Look at it. Perfect. The way I eat it. All right.
That's good.
Would you say it's better than hamburger?
Yeah.
You would?
Yeah.
Hold on a second. All right, I gotta try it now. I'm gonna taste strictly the meat. No ketchup, no cheese. He didn't have ketchup either. So, does that look beautiful? Here we go. I can taste it already. This is way better than beef. This is so good, guys. This is the best week of Exotic Meat Month so far. Alligator may be good next week, but right now, this is number one. Elk burgers for the home run. I'll see you on the next episode. Love you. Bye.